Hey guys, it's me, Canva Junky, and I'm here to get back into Etsy. As you all know, or maybe you don't if this is your first video, I just started Etsy last month in October 26th or 27th, somewhere around there, 2022. And so we're about a month in, and I want to show you my stats, where I'm at, and tell you if I think it's worth starting an Etsy shop in, well, almost 2023 now. Let's dive in. Okay, so we're gonna go up to my shop manager. And as you can see, I have gotten a ton of views and visits for it to be only 1 month, but I've only got 11 orders, which my conversion rate is very low, but I think it's because of TikTok. I have my Etsy shop in my link tree, and I gain, my TikTok is gaining traction right now. So I'm almost at 50,000 followers, and I think my followers are going to my Etsy just to look and not to buy. So they're looking, not buying, and so my conversion rate is very low. I think this month I'm gonna take it off of my link tree and see what that does for me. But yeah, so I have 11 orders so far, $27.40. And as you know, I ran ads at the beginning. Let's go to that. And 2 of my orders came from the ads. There was 55 clicks and 5,000, almost 6,000 views for the ad. Because my items are very inexpensive, I don't think ads are really worth it. You end up paying more than you actually make. So that's just my opinion. I don't know, it may work better for others, but I think because my items are low ticket numbers, that it's just, the ads don't quite make sense. Another thing that I thought was interesting, and I'm wondering if it's because of that conversion rate, because people are just going to my shop to look because they follow me on TikTok. If I go to Marmalade, which I showed you in the last video, this is an app. If this is your first time, this is a software that helps you with your Etsy listings. So they rate them, and the last time, every single one was at a B. I made sure of it. I don't know how to get them to A's. I haven't gotten that far. I've tried, but I haven't gotten there yet. But all of them were at B's, and now some of them have dropped to C's. And I'm wondering if it's because of the low conversion rate, because people are going to look at them, but they're not buying them. So now Marmalade is like, okay, let's switch this up a bit. I don't know. We're gonna find out, because I'm gonna take my Etsy shop off of my link tree and see what that does for me in this next month. So the big question, do I think it's worth starting an Etsy shop in 2022, dang near 2023? Yes. The reason why I say that is because you can make, for instance, my Santa letter has been most of my orders. It's Christmas time, but I made that letter in like 20 minutes. It's a letter and a nice list certificate. I made it in 20 minutes. And now I'm sure every year around Christmas time, I will earn some type of money for that. I think that that's worth it. It doesn't matter if it's hundreds or thousands of dollars, or if it's just a couple $50, you know? I think it's worth it for 20 minutes of your time. So yes, I do think it's worth it. How would I promote my Etsy shop? You do want to use social media for sure, but social media followers don't mean buyers. Okay, a lot of people are gonna come and they just want to see, like, oh, okay, yeah, I see you're creating cool stuff on TikTok. Let me see what you got on your Etsy page. But they're not quite there to order. They just want to look. So I do think social media is great, but where you're probably going to find the best luck is making sure you have your SEO right, your titles right, finding and researching long tail words, which I've also started using eRank. It's another way to find keywords. So maybe combining all of those things have gotten me 11 orders in a month. But I do think it's worth it. And I do think that I could take this further than the $25 that I've gotten. So yeah, I do think it's worth it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.